are you doing today? We are back again to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to log out your Gmail from your phone, a Gmail account from your phone. Maybe you have many Gmails on your phone, or because of one or two reasons you want to just log out that particular Gmail from that phone. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to do it very fast and easy. Alright, so let's get started. But before we get started, can you please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, thank you. Just give it a thumbs up. It won't cost you anything, I promise. I swear, I promise. It won't cost you a dime. Okay, just give it a thumbs up. Alright, thank you very much. Let's get into my phone and then I'll show you how to log out your Gmail from your phone.
Okay, here we are now on my phone, and first of all, what you're going to do is you go to your Gmail app. Yes, open. And here we are on our Gmail app. We are going to click on the icon by the top right of the page. Okay? We're here. Then what you're going to do is you scroll down to the bottom of the page, to the down part of the page, and click on manage accounts on this device. Manage accounts on this device. As you click on it, it will bring you to this particular place. As you can see, I have many Gmails. Maybe I want to log in another one, and then the phone is telling me that I don't have enough space for another Gmail. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to choose the one that I want to log out. Okay, now the one I want to log out is this particular one. Okay, this Johnmartins stitch. What I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to click on it, then click on remove account. Remove account. Boom. It's gone. So we are done with this. Is just the simplest way to log out your Gmail account from your phone. Okay, thank you very much. See you on my next video. Alright, thank you, and remember to like this video. Smash that like button. Okay, I swear, I promise it won't cost you anything. Alright, just smash that like button. Yes, why are you holding it? Smash it, smash it. Alright, let's meet on my next video. Thank you very much.